So cute. Okay. But the society people have some problems with feeding dogs. Look at them, they start falling. So they have problems with people feeding these dogs. What I do is I come close to this canal and then I give them food. It's going to be difficult to do this with one hand. I see, it's very hungry. Unfortunately, this is all I can give them because there are a lot of dogs. Sometimes they start fighting with each other. There comes the mom. She's the mom. And that's the end of 2 packets of Parle-G. Another 2 or 3 which I cannot see right now. Must be somewhere. There's also this fight that happens. Fight for domination. All of them are siblings actually. But they keep disciplining each other. But all of them are my personal bodyguards. This entire lane is full of those dogs. And I've just come out right now to pick up some things. Stopped raining, but everything is wet. The whole road is wet. It's been raining a lot. The moment they see me, they're going to start chasing me again. Here they come. They're going to start chasing me. Look at that. There's a well over here. A very big one. Earlier that well was open from all sides. So anyway, I'm back home. Let's open the door. And here they are again. All of them start coming. Look at them. Look how many of them are there now. So many dogs. That's great. And back to the parking lot. If you've been following the channel, you know what this is. Let's go back.